Budgies love showers. See, all Budgies love showers. Now they're happy, 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 huh, Budgies? My Budgies love showers. Look at Nemo. He's so comfy there. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Hi, the Bubba. Are you happy, the babies? You like a shower? You like the showers, huh? Good job, Budgies. Good job, Budgies. Now they're trying. Good jobs, babies. They're just listening to other birds. This is how my Budgies spend summer days. And cage is clean. It's rusty right there, like you can see it's rusty because this house is the one that I use when I take them out and shower. This is the one that I use. And I let them stay in the sun so they can dry it a little bit, not too much because I don't want them to get hot. I love doing this. It's a happy day for them. And then I just spend time with them outside. They're there while I put water to my plants. Like you can see, guys, I changed the backyard. Remember that it was red chips? I put some rocks and I did it myself. I put rocks on my backyard. Let me show you. I know this video is for my Budgies, but I like to show you what I did. I did it myself. Remember there was red chips and then the house was like, it was not flat like this. I made it myself. Yes, it was a lot of work, but I made it. Then I put a little palm tree here on the path. And then you can see this little fountain. There's a succulents. And I did this design myself. I still need to change that thing. Those are the red chips that they were all over here, and I threw them away because they were old. And I don't know if you know, but the red chips brings a lot of termites because it's wood. So when it gets old, all kind of termites come. So that's what I did to my backyard. I still need to fix some stuff. Like I need to work on that area. On this area I need to work. But that's like not massive. And let me show you something. I have my grapes here and I noticed somebody came last night and he was eating my grapes. You can see a lot of them are missing, so I'm gonna cut them today before they finish my grapes. See? Somebody came and eat my grapes. And it's not fair. It's not fair. And I have more on the other side. Let me see if you can see them. Budgies are happy outside. They're just talking and listening to other birds. Let me see if you can see. They're over there, but I don't know if you can see them. Hold on. What I do, just walk and step rocks. This is an apple tree. This is a peach from seed. Yes, I planted from a seed. I was eating one day one peach and it was really good. So I saved the seed. Uy. Those are not ready yet. These are too small yet. There's some on the other side as well. But this is okay. These are okay. I noticed that they don't come here. I don't know why. Anyways, guys. At night it looks nice because my solar lights, they turn on and it looks beautiful. I know I have a little weeds. I'm gonna ask my husband to kill them with the spray. Well, guys, thank you for watching the video of my Budgies. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let me bring them to the shade. They want to spend more time here outside. I'm very happy. They are very happy to be outside. Are you happy, guys? Are you good? Hi, Lucy. Hi, Toby. You guys happy? I'm gonna put your food, okay? Before I go inside, because I need to do some stuff, okay, guys? All right, guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a beautiful day.